the kittens accidentally started the machine, splattering paint everywhere. But everyone helped clean it up together.
The race is on! Woohoo! Faster! Look at us go!
Welcome, friends. Who needs cooling down? How about pistachio for you?
Oh, thank you, Mama Cat. This is heavenly.
I'll take the lemon next.
প্লেট সাবধানে রাখো।
A thief has come! Super Dog Zindabad!
Justice served, dog style. Wow, look at the size of that fish! Ah, we're going over! That was the best fishing adventure ever! Go ahead, have fun, everyone!
We're gonna slide down the rainbow. Come on, today everyone will learn to swim.
No, Mom! The water is cold!
From today, we are the...
It's time to fly! Look, it's flying! Go, go!
Suddenly, a huge crocodile was seen in the river. The ducks are saying, "Save, save!"
Where did you hide the bone, kid?
It wasn't missing! I just buried it!
Case closed!
চিন্তা করো না সোনা, তুমি ঠিক হয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, খুব তাড়াতাড়ি তুমি উঠতে পারবে।
Will you go to the party like this? People will be scared.
Wow, we are heroes now!
Now everyone at the party will...
With the ducklings safe in their little vests, Mama Cat steered the boat, and they all paddled home together.
আমার বল কোথায় গেল?
Don't worry, Detective Papa will find it. Super Dog Zindabad! Justice served, dog style.